Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
You never seen a woman as crazy. You never seen a plan.
Welcome back again to my channel in Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week, the place where magic begins. So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through this hip-hop drum kit called the Come Up. You guys know how we do it here at Believers Records.
We always kill it, innit?
Okay, enough with the flexing. Let's go ahead and see what this fire drum kit has in store for us. So this kit comes with a bonus FLP.
So someone told me not to use the word free.
So I'm gonna stop using that. So I'm selling this for
$2.
it's not too much. So once you actually buy this kit, you get instant access to the Believers Records sauce. So yeah, man. So let's go ahead and see what this fire kit has in store for us. So there's some 808s here, there's some bass, there's some crashes, there's some hats, there's some kicks, there's some one shots, there's some open hats, some percs, some snares. But what I want to emphasize here is the FLP, which I'm gonna play you guys in a minute. So yeah, before we get into it, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and hear what the FLP sounds like. Believers Radio. All right, sorry for that. I don't want to get any endurance, so let's go ahead and put this. All right, scene 24. All right, let's listen to it. Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
You never seen a woman as crazy. You never seen a plan as shady. Up and waiting by kidnapping father time. Wave to mother nature, tell her next time. Right now ain't the best time. On the verge of death, but I'll survive. Met my maker last week while he was asleep. I'd rather not succeed. I'd rather be at war and burn the peace. I wanna battle and earn the sleep. And earn the sleep. Your best ideas are worth my forgotten dreams. I resurrected the savage with twisted tactics. Make 'em vanish and tarnish your hardship with my worship. The people I'm starving with, one day I'll feast with. The attention I'm seeking is weakened. I want the music to be speaking. All these misconstrued interviews take my words, spit and chewed and spewed to create a nuisance, and it ain't to prove shit. Almost 5 years since my nana passed. Time's been moving fast. I know it can't be fixed. I'm living to get past. Searching through the dreams for the moral. Working the world to become immortal. I know the darkness is approaching. I'm gonna let it come through. I'm laughing to find the spark. I had to use my darkness to save my heart. I had to be heartless to try and finish. I had to start this.
Believers Radio. All right, guys. That's a bonus that comes with the kit. So once you actually buy the kit, you get this free bonus FLP. So
It's only $2, man. So it's not so much,
with $2, you actually you learn something. You get to move a step higher as a producer, or maybe you can just turn this whole thing around and just turn it to something else. as long as it helps you, man. That's all we do here at Believers Records. So let's go ahead and see what sauce is in here. So there's some sauce in here. So I'm not gonna go through the whole thing. I'll just roughly just go through the whole the mixer. So there's a buzz here for the drums. So the only thing that I did, I just compressed the drums. So there's one compressor, there's some minimal compression here, and then I glued the drums together using this API by Waves. And then there's this, so sorry for the instruments, instead of just, processing all the instruments, separately, I just did it in one bus. So there's one bus here, then it's routed here again, then there's the main bus. Alright, so that's it. So once you guys actually get this kit, you can go do this yourself and actually see what happened here. So yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and see what the kit is all about, bro. So there's some 808s in here. Then there's bass. There's some crash. There's some hats here. All right. There's some kicks. There's a one-shot flute. And has percussion. All right, there's some snares. So yeah, that's it, man. So link in the description down below. Yeah, that's it. So, and I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up with my number, or you can get to me through my email or whatever. Yeah, so yeah, that's it, man. So, and I forgot this. Some people have been coming to me about my previous kits. Some of the links are broken, so I don't really get time to go through all my kits just to see whether the links are broken. Sometimes I might not even know it's actually broken. So if that happens, just hit me up and let me know, and I'll help you with that. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe.
I'd rather not succeed. I'd rather be at war and burn the peace. I wanna battle and earn